everyone, and welcome to Me at Home Club. In this video, I will guide you how to make a mini notebook and then decorate it. And this is my little book. So I will draw pictures from numbers. What are we going to need? Okay, we need just one sheet of paper, some crayons, and scissors. Okay, now let's get started. To begin with, we will fold the paper in half along the long way, okay? And use your nail or your finger to light it up. Make it nice and neat. Okay, we open it up. And now we fold over again. We fold the paper up. Light it up. And now let's turn a quarter turn. So we have the fold, the edge is here, and two flaps paper down here. Okay, now let's fold the top flap up to meet the top, to meet the edge, and light it up. Okay, and now let's repeat with the other flap. And now let's unfold two flaps. Okay, and now use the scissors to cut. Okay, we will cut along this line, along this, and then start at the middle of the paper. Okay, and open the paper up. Fold the paper along this line. Okay, and we press them together and bring them together. Ta-da! Finally, we've got a little notebook. Okay, the little notebook with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 pages. Okay, now let's use this notebook to write your little story, or to make your note, or whatever you like. Okay, and now today I will guide you to decorate this book, to draw the picture with the numbers. Okay, first we use a crayon. I use blue. Okay, now let us put the pages of this notebook. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now let's turn this number into pictures. Okay, let's start with number 1. I will use another color. Can you see what it is? Yes, it's a boat. Okay, another boat is in the sea. Okay, so let's add some water. Okay, finished the boat. Okay, now let's continue with number 2. Okay, use another color. Okay, you draw like this. Wow, it's a duck. Okay, now let's move to number 3. I use green now. butterfly. Now let's color the butterflies. Okay, butterfly. Okay, so easy, right? And now let's move to number 4. What are you going to be now? I use green now. Okay, ta-da! So it's a fish, right? Okay, a little fish. And now let's okay, now red now. Wow, what is this class? It's an apple. Okay, it's an apple. Now let's color the apple if you have time. Okay, apple. And now let's move to number 6. I use green. It's a snail, right? Snail. Okay, and number 7. I use black now. What is this, the little animal? Yes, it's a mouse. It's a mouse, right? Mouse. And now the last number. Okay, number 8. Green. Can you see? It's a snowman. Okay, I will take the orange to make the nose for the snowman. Okay, ta-da! Finished. Okay, now let's color this picture if you have time. Okay.